Good morning, my friends. Happy Monday. How are you today? Did you have a good weekend? I hope you did. Let's get started and make it a great week. Here we go. The month is November. Last time I saw you, it was Yakira and Koi's birthday. Then we had Friday the 6th, Saturday the 7th, and Sunday the 8th. That makes today the 9th day of November. So let's fill in our dates. November's the 11th month, November 9th, 2020. Let's put it into words. November 9th, 2020. I know that today is Monday, which means yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we had been in school 34 days. If we were at 34 and we add one more, we still have 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones, which makes 35 days of school so far. Let's make 35 cents, 10, 20, 30. Pick up a nickel for 5, 35. Remember, some of these words may be new, but they are from our first grade list, so let's make sure that we can read and spell these words. Look, way, good, and new, May. Alright, I added something new, 68. Let's put it in expanded form. Here I go. 60 plus 8 equals 68. Alright, I'm going to put 68 right here. Who can tell me what comes after 68? 69. 70. Now we need to go backwards. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. Alright, let's get our number 22. Look at your tens place. Take 1 10 away, and what do you have? Good job. Look at 22. Add 1 more, 10. What's 10 more? 32. What's 1 less? And what's 1 more? Alright, let's get our number 551. If we go here and we take 1 10 away for 100 less, we have 451. If we are here and we add 1 more for 100 more, then we have 651. And last, we're going to take 2 numbers. Ready? 822 and 324. Which symbol fits today? Remember, our gator's mouth has to chomp, chomp, chomp the biggest number. Yep, we need to pull down greater than, because 822 is greater than 324.